In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join a guild in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the guilds or covenants available in Arcane Lineage. There are currently two covenants, which are known as factions, which you are able to join upon reaching level 10. So the first requirement is that your character is at least level 10. In each of these two covenants, there are different ways to progress through the ranks. Upon reaching certain milestones, you will be granted skills and soul points. So for the first covenant that you have, it is going to be the Blades of the World, also known as the Blades. This is a wealth-focused covenant available in the desert. So all that you have to do is from the Desert Ruins main building, keep straight until you reach the Elementalist Trainer, as you can see here on the map. There will be a large cliff with a small path leading downwards. Follow that path and enter the first opening that you see. Follow the middle path and eventually you will reach the Blades of the World hideout. In there, you will be able to enter the Blades and they will grant you access. You will then be able to get through the ranks and reach higher covenant tiers. Next, you have Way of Life. For this one, it is better for healer classes or support classes, and also if you would just like to stay alive and play safe. Now, the obtainment is going to be slightly harder. To do this, you will have to go over to the Deep Root Canopy. In there, just climb up the main building, and eventually on one of the buildings on top, you will be able to find the Way of Life Covenant Guild. You need to progress using mossy runes, meaning that you will have to do potion making and guild requests, and after you talk to the main NPC in there, you will also be granted access to the Way of Life Covenant. I hope I was able to help you on how to join a guild in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.